get all your monster trucks, and let's get to the rally. Hey guys, and in this episode, we're gonna be fighting with first off, Yellow Rider, Yellow Bull, and in Spanish, El Toro Loco. And then we have Skullface, but he likes to be called Maxty. Alright, let's get this fight started. Ding ding! Ready, set, fight! Winner! Next round. Next round. Round 2. Winner! One of his bull ears are getting messed up. I'm still alright, and I'm gonna win the third round. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh yeah, but I still hurt your horns. Hey! Oh! Ha! Now round 3. Ding! I'm gonna win this time. No, you're not. You fell off already. Winner! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! I told you I won again. And you know, just because I won, I think instead of having this English name, I want to actually be called El Toro Loco. So remember me by El Toro Loco. I have won, and I feel really accomplished. So after this, we're gonna go on a marathon. Super cool, right? I know. Super. What are you doing? Anyways, guys, we're just starring me. Oh, yeah. Ah! I win now. I'm champion. I beat that. Okay, we're done with this madness. You should get off the stage right now because it's my turn to talk. Okay. So, you've heard him say that the winner of this match is El Toro Loco! Oh, yeah. Alright, now get up. Ah! So, that was episode 1. Come back to us for the next episode of the next fight. Woo! Oh, yeah!
You mean about I pushing off the barrel?
Yeah, whatever. Anyways, that's the end of this video, but we're gonna have a cool ending, right, dudes?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. For now. Bam! Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Monster trucks!